Go. You said it's a park to fly your helicopter and airplanes by
Yes,
the
sir.
Long Beach. What's the name of the beach?
It's Long Beach Beach. You feel me? It's the beach, man. What you want to do is it's on Ocean and Cherry. It's a mountain. Before you go down the beach, you don't go down the hill. You stay where the park is at, on top of the green grass. And what you do is you can take your plane out there, throw it in there, fly him around. He'll be
They've been flying over there for, and you said it's on Cherry and what?
Cherry and Ocean.
Cherry and Ocean. I might go check that out. Thanks,
Yeah.
man.
So they've been flying, man. They've been flying planes around there since I was 5 years old.
Yeah, I never heard of that place.
Yeah, and trust me, it's a nice sight, nice view for you to fly your plane and have a nice day. Feel me? And you can be blinging out there. Let's go.
All right, here we go. Can't see a damn thing. There you go. I'll get a good shot for you if I lose it on the rail. Nice. All right, good.